Imagine a vehicle that can disappear from civilization for weeks and somehow make life more comfortable the farther it travels. No hotels, no schedules, no compromises. Just endless landscapes and a machine that feels ready for every one of them. That is the idea behind today's incredible creation. Welcome back to Jack Motorlux, because the 2027 Toyota EarthRoamer 6x6 might be one of the most exciting expedition vehicles Toyota could ever build. This is not simply a giant truck with a camper attached. It is a rolling sanctuary designed for people who believe adventure should never come with sacrifice. This vehicle matters because it represents a different definition of luxury. Instead of chasing crowded cities and expensive resorts, it prioritizes freedom. It is built for people who want to wake up beside a frozen lake one week and a desert canyon the next. The EarthRoamer 6x6 is less about transportation and more about creating a life without boundaries. From the outside, this machine looks unstoppable. The front end carries a bold Toyota identity, with a massive grille, intelligent LED lighting, and a protective steel bumper that communicates pure confidence. The raised suspension creates an imposing stance, while 6 oversized all-terrain tires immediately remind you this vehicle is designed for places where ordinary roads simply end. Along the sides, integrated storage compartments, reinforced body panels, and deployable steps blend ruggedness with practicality. The roof carries solar panels, auxiliary lights, and extra cargo solutions without looking cluttered. Even the rear section feels intentional, with recovery equipment and utility systems neatly integrated into the design. Every angle suggests self-sufficiency. Every surface feels purposeful. And just when you think the exterior is the entire story, something even more impressive waits inside. Stepping inside creates a complete shift in atmosphere. Suddenly, the rugged expedition machine transforms into a premium mobile home. Soft leather seating, warm wood accents, and durable recycled materials create a space that feels luxurious without becoming fragile. Large windows flood the cabin with natural light while giving passengers incredible views of the environment around them. The front cockpit combines digital displays with physical controls, making every function easy to access, even in difficult conditions. Behind the driver, a compact living area includes a convertible dining space, a modern kitchenette, and intelligent storage hidden throughout the cabin. There is even a dedicated sleeping area designed for genuine comfort instead of temporary convenience. Advanced climate control, satellite connectivity, and energy management systems quietly work in the background so occupants can focus on enjoying the journey. But here is where the story becomes even more interesting, because all this comfort sits on top of a seriously capable mechanical foundation. This is where the real personality of the EarthRoamer 6x6 comes alive. Toyota would likely pair this machine with a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid system, producing an estimated 450 to 500 horsepower. That level of power is not about racing. It is about carrying heavy equipment, climbing steep terrain, and remaining confident, regardless of location. A 6-wheel drive system continuously distributes traction to maximize stability on mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails. A heavy-duty automatic transmission prioritizes smooth delivery over aggressive shifts, helping the vehicle remain predictable even in extreme conditions. Adaptive suspension systems automatically adjust ride height depending on the terrain beneath the tires. Dedicated drive modes simplify difficult situations with a single selection. Despite its size, the vehicle would feel surprisingly composed because every system is engineered to work together. And once you experience that balance between strength and control, you realize this machine exists in a category of its own. Several standout features truly separate this vehicle from traditional expedition campers. The first is its advanced solar energy ecosystem, capable of powering major onboard systems without constantly relying on external sources. The second is its intelligent water recycling setup that extends self-sufficiency during long adventures. The third is the modular storage design that allows owners to customize equipment layouts depending on their mission. Finally, remote vehicle monitoring lets owners track energy, security, and environmental conditions directly from a smartphone. Of course, greatness comes with trade-offs. A vehicle this large will never be ideal for crowded urban environments. It will likely command a premium price, and require careful planning when parking or navigating tight spaces. Fuel economy will not be its strongest talent either. But none of these compromises feel unreasonable, because this machine was never created for ordinary life. The EarthRoamer 6x6 represents a completely different way of thinking. It is for explorers, photographers, families, and dreamers who believe memories are more valuable than destinations. It turns isolation into comfort and uncertainty into excitement. Instead of asking where the nearest hotel is, you start asking where the horizon ends. That emotional shift is what makes this machine so fascinating. It changes priorities. It encourages curiosity. It transforms every journey into a story worth remembering. There is also a subtle psychological advantage to a vehicle like this that people rarely talk about. Modern life is noisy, fast, and constantly connected. The EarthRoamer changes that relationship entirely. It allows you to decide when to disconnect and when to reconnect. Its onboard communication systems keep emergency support available, yet the experience still feels wonderfully distant from everyday pressure. Imagine preparing breakfast while overlooking mountains, charging camera equipment through stored solar energy, and planning the next route without ever feeling rushed. That sense of control may be its greatest luxury feature. Toyota has always been respected for reliability, and combining that reputation with a dedicated expedition platform makes this concept feel believable instead of impossible. You are not simply buying a machine, you are investing in confidence. Confidence that weather changes will not stop you. Confidence that difficult terrain will not force you to turn around. Confidence that adventure can remain comfortable without losing authenticity. Few vehicles manage to balance those qualities at the same time, and that is exactly why this one feels so special. It is ambitious without becoming unrealistic, and luxurious without forgetting its mission. Even standing still, the EarthRoamer seems to invite movement. It encourages longer routes, unexpected detours, and spontaneous decisions that would normally feel inconvenient. Suddenly, inconvenience becomes the adventure itself. That transformation is rare because most vehicles are built to solve transportation problems, while this one is built to inspire experiences. And in an era where people increasingly value meaningful memories over possessions, that philosophy could make this one of Toyota's most desirable expedition concepts ever created. It is not about reaching the fastest destination. It is about turning every kilometer into part of the reward and proving that true luxury might simply be the freedom to choose your own direction every single day. Some vehicles help you escape for a weekend, but the 2027 Toyota EarthRoamer 6x6 feels capable of helping you reinvent the meaning of home itself. If you could take this machine anywhere on Earth tomorrow, where would your first adventure begin? Subscribe to Jack Motorlux for more incredible automotive journeys.